LaVine Restorations restores high-end classic and antique automobiles. We, for the last 50 years, have dedicated our lives to the preservation of historically and artistically relevant vehicles from the teens, 20s, 30s, up through the 50s and 60s. At the end of the day, we're a shop in the middle of the farm country of Indiana. We tested every one of your products in our line against Meguiar's, Mother's, Wizards, and it really was a premium product for us.
That stuff is amazing. It was at my dad's off in his car, and we nano coated it and cleaned it up. So showing him how to use it, he was just amazed by it. It's great when nobody's ever used it. You can really get them to switch and get rid of some of the other stuff they've been used to, accustomed to.
That, coupled with the way the company operates, the access to information, the care, what 303's impact has been on our business is profound, because it's given us confidence in what we're using and what we're professing to people about. You should try this, you should do this process, it's been amazing.